Have an HBOX file from video conversion workflows. This is a preset file from HandBrake, the popular video transcoding application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these HandBrake preset files. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. HBOX files are preset configuration files associated with HandBrake, an open-source video transcoder application. They store video and audio encoding settings, including codec parameters, quality presets, resolution adjustments, filters, and container options used to standardize video conversion workflows for consistent output quality. HBOX files use a structured format, storing HandBrake, encoding parameters, including video codec, audio, codec, bitrates, resolutions, frame rates, filters, and container settings. The format follows HandBrake's preset specification, enabling reusable encoding configurations across different video conversion projects and workflows. For full accurate reading of HBOX data, rely on HandBrake by HandBrake team. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows cannot interpret configuration semantics, so editing must be performed cautiously. We're testing the file structure now. Right-click the HBOX file and choose Open With. If HandBrake is installed, start there. If not, select another application. Different apps handle edge cases uniquely. When a HBOX file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, importing in HandBrake. Install HandBrake free from handbrake.fr for Windows, macOS, or Linux. Launch HandBrake and use presets. Then import, or the preset menu to load the HBOX file. The preset becomes available in your preset list, applying its encoding parameters when selected for video conversion projects. Next, editing preset settings. Within HandBrake, select the imported preset and modify its parameters as needed for specific projects. Adjust video quality, audio settings, filters, or container options. Save modifications as a new preset, preserving the original HBOX preset while creating customized versions for different conversion requirements. Finally, sharing presets. Export HandBrake presets back to HBOX format for sharing with colleagues or across multiple computers. Use presets, then export. Selecting the preset to save. Share the HBOX file via email cloud storage or shared drives, enabling consistent video encoding standards across teams and projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.